Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is Akimola speaking. In today's video, we want to look at some of the issues that you guys are having, and this issue is talking about revocation of businesses. We have some businesses that have been revoked, and I made a video subsequently trying to educate you guys on why a business will be revoked, why an already registered business with a certificate, status report, and MIMAT, whatever the case is, mostly now business name, will be revoked, and what you can do to avoid it. But I still see and notice that a lot of people are unaware of this, and let me even tell you some of the reasons why your business would be revoked. And the major reason why your business will be revoked is if it is improperly classified. Classification is very important, and classification determines a lot of things. Your proper classification determines the nature of business you're running. So you cannot expect to put a nature of business that is not proper for a particular registration, and CAC approves it because they are using AI, and then at the end of the day they will now revoke that particular registration. So in this video, that we're not even here to discuss about the problem. I'm here to discuss about the possible solutions to those problems, right? So let's look at how you can resolve some of this problem. I will use an example of the one I'm seeing on our portal right now. Where's the portal? Okay, we are seeing a registration that has been revoked. There's a registration we saw that was revoked recently. So let it load up. So I'll show you now, depending on what caused the why it was revoked, will determine how you will resolve it. So if it is the nature of business that caused it to be revoked, you have to go and adjust the nature of business for it to be reinstated back. You understand what I'm saying, right? You have to go and find a way to edit the nature of business itself. So if, for instance, you say the nature of your business is you are into hotel and hospitality as your object, right? For the business name, hotel and hospitality, in like you are going to see in this example I'm going to be showing you. Oh, what's happening? Let's see. I think it is under approved. There's a business that was queried recently. So look at some of the ones that we have right now. This one was queried. So this one was queried because of two things. It was revoked because of two things, right? Two things was making this business to be revoked. The first thing is that the business was revoked because of the use of the word group. Group is not usable for a business name. Let me have water. Group is not usable for a business name. When you use group, you cannot even use group for a company. You can only use group for as a restricted word. So you understand what I'm saying? So group itself cannot be used normally. Even to register a company, if you are doing company registration, you cannot use the word group of company, group or this. Once you try it, it will be removed. It will not even allow you to go through. Good. But now to resolve this particular, if your issue is name issue, like the revocation is because of the name, you just come here. You can do a name substitution. Right, you can see that it's giving. I'm looking at the option. We don't know how sustainable this is, so but look at, you can do a name substitution. The current name is Purple Group, so now I want to change it to Purple Educational something, for instance. So then you proceed and make payment, and you can change the name. You see that? So that's if the name is the issue is the name. So if the issue is not the name and the issue is the object of the company. So let me see this revocation now. This one, for instance, this one the is wrong classification. So this one now, I don't think there's any way you can readjust this. You have to start again because school is supposed to be a company, but it was done as a business name. So no way out for this one. You have to start again from fresh, right? So this one might be salvaged if it is changed. But the issue with this also is that there's also a mistake in the object. So the issue is that there's also an issue with the object, because I will not want to share personal details, right, of people, right? That's why I will not be showing you the detail of that. But the main thing you should understand is that if there's issue with the object itself as well, okay, you have to start again from beginning. Because what is to cost you to do the object alone on the CAC portal will almost be the same thing. So please, you have to take note and make sure that you work on understanding. That's why I always advise, learn before you go ahead. Learn. Like take our courses. If I make video on YouTube, watch. If I ask you to buy a course, purchase them. For instance, we have our ultimate bundle course that's supposed to be going for 20,000 naira. We are slashing it out to just 10,000 naira for anybody that is ready to get within this month, right? To get it and digest it and ask questions. We now have a community. So even if my community want to join, once you get buy the course, the ultimate bundle course, ultimate registration bundle course, you will get access to community where you ask questions. Even though you don't understand, you will ask. But the problem I also have is that some people will even be in the community and they'll still not ask questions. So you can't just, whenever you see that something looks strange, do well to ask questions. When you ask questions, then we'll be able to know how to provide solutions. We have people that have gone through the path that you are just going through, and to be easier, it's easier for you. When I started sales registration, there was no information online on YouTube. You can see, I can say boldly that I was one of the first set of people that started creating content on sales registration on YouTube. I can say it boldly, right? If there are old videos on sales registration, there are few. Like then you couldn't even see anything. And if you see anything online, then they're not practical videos. They're not videos that was showing you step-by-step guides. But right now, there are free videos, free resources, free information everywhere. So what you need to do, every time for those of you that are trying to do this as a business, get access to courses, get access to a community that can, you can ask questions where people can answer your questions, and you'll be able to progress without any issue, right? I hope this video has helped you. So that's one of the ways to resolve revoked businesses. You correct them if it is the name, or you start again if it's the registration. My name is Agmola Ezekiel. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.